Record Live, our first official segment of the Desert Skies Middle School Magical Unicorn Library and Cooking Show. Do you think that's a good name?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have two chefs with me. I went through all the resumes, selected the top cooks out of Mrs. Scott's advisory. Introduce yourself.
My name is Vianney.
And
And I'm Carla.
so today, what are you going to be making for us?
We're going to be making waffles.
Have you made waffles before? No. Okay. Have you made waffles before?
Yeah.
Do you like to eat waffles?
Yeah. No.
Okay, well, there you go. A yes and a no. I have a yes and no. We have two waffle makers in front of us. I have pre-made the batter. We have some cooking spray. We have lots of little things like chocolate chips. We have some Nutella, some peanut butter, the best syrup known to man, which is Mrs. Buttersworth. Your task now is to make the most delicious waffle. And so we're going to have you prep it on camera and we're going to see how it turns out. And should I give you any advice or tips as you go through this process?
Yeah.
I was going to say no.
Mm-mm.
I say no. I say this is a cooking show. And so now it is up to you. So here's all your things. There's your two devices. There's all your materials. Ready, set. Just don't set the library on fire. Go. Let's start making waffles.
No promises.
No promises to the fire. Okay.
What if we...
What now?
So I think we should put the batter in and then the chocolate chips. Okay. Yeah. Guys, this is the batter. Yeah. If I overfill it, it's not my fault.
Okay. I don't know if I agree with that, but sure.
Oh, wait, it doesn't tell the oven. It goes on top. Wait. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna put some chocolate chips.
Okay.
Yeah. Here. Okay. Oh.
It's fine. And I have utensils there if you need them.
Some sticks.
I
think I'm gonna...
I think that was a good idea. I was getting a little uneasy with that. I was going to say, let's close that lid. Okay, now Carla's up. Let's see what Carla's going to do.
What? Oh, so I'm just putting the batter in the waffle maker?
Okay.
That's too much.
That's too much. It's okay. That's what it is. It is what it is. And then next you're adding in the Nutella now. Okay. Yeah. Interesting. It's okay. Get your fingers in there.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
And we're just adding the Nutella in here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Mm-hmm. It's a lot of Nutella. Okay.
And yeah.
Oh, sweet Lord. I have some concerns.
Trust the process. Oh no.
Okay.
It's overflowing.
Okay. We're going to have to make sure that we get this on camera. Okay. And now we wait. Now we wait. Okay. There's a little steam coming off of this one. I don't know in theory if... Ooh, look how pretty she is. I think it could be darker. Yeah. I think it should be darker. Don't even open yours up yet, Carla. That thing.
Trust the process. Trust the process.
Trust the process. Okay.
Okay, I think...
Are you going to eat these when we're done?
Yeah. Yeah.
You said you don't like waffles.
Maybe I do.
Why don't you like waffles?
I don't know. I think my dad made it wrong.
Okay. Yeah. Maybe. That might be fair. Okay. Let's see. Oh.
I think that's as good as it's going to be.
She looks pretty. Wait, look at... No! Close the lid on that one. Close the lid on that one. Okay. Hold the mic, Carla.
Okay.
I'm going to adjust the camera. Let's get an expensive plate.
Exactly.
Okay.
Wow.
Look how beautiful it is.
I think my...
It didn't. It didn't overflow. I thought that thing was gonna pour out all over the edges. So you did. Didn't you think it was gonna overflow? It not. Okay. Shh.
Now I'm
Okay. Okay. What next?
Nutella on top of the waffle, guys.
Okay.
Cause
You're the chef. You open it. What do you think?
you know what, Carla? Yeah. I'll just open it.
Okay. Do we need another plate? Here's your plate. Okay. Turn her around. Show the audience. Ooh. Okay. I wasn't quite sure putting it in first. I'll be honest with you.
Yeah.
But it looks like it worked out. Okay. No, I am not responsible for any burns, cuts, or bodily damage during these segments. Should have had you sign a release before we started. Now, how is that going to come out of that thing?
Wait, we didn't add the oil.
I was going to say something, but you didn't have the oil. Hers came out okay.
It's okay, I'll help you.
Okay,
You're
let's
gonna
see.
like trust.
Oh, snap doodle dragon. Maybe it's like a taco. It's fine. What do you think, crew?
Yeah, hers is just.
Okay. Okay. It's fine. It's okay. It's okay. Whose looks a little bit better right now?
Yours.
Should we do a taste test?
Yeah.
Let's take a taste test.
Yeah, I would put more.
Oh, you're going to put
You
more
want some,
chocolate?
Carla? Just one. Just one chocolate.
Did you taste those yet?
No, not yet.
I don't like the way they taste. Did you taste it? What do you think?
It tastes kind of weird.
Yeah, they're sugar free. Yeah, I'm not a fan. Not a fan. Okay, let's do a quick taste test and you guys can let the audience know where we went wrong or what we did right. Go ahead. You first. Let's see. Honest opinion.
I think the chocolate chips ruined it a little bit.
Okay. So I should have actually had real chocolate chips and not sugar-free ones.
Yeah.
Sugar-free was on sale at Grocery Outlet. Okay, let's see how about yours. Look at the quality of this product. Look at the quality of that. Do you think adding the Nutella first? Do you like it? Okay. 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 Can we improve upon it next week?
Yeah.
We'll see. Okay. And Miss Scott's advisory, remember you guys come back with another idea to cook something unorthodox in our waffle maker. It doesn't have to be a waffle. We're going to make another batch, but we're not going to film it. We're going to eat the better ones. Sound good? Okay. Go ahead and say goodbye. Thank you, ladies.
Bye.